Jesus, please come fast. Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wonder why. The death watch was over, buried for days. Somebody said he'll soon be here, the Lord's on his way. Martha ran to him, and then she cried, Lord, if you had been here, you could have healed him, he'd still be alive. You're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long, but his way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time? Jesus said, Martha, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, you don't understand, he's been there for days. The gravestone was rolled back. Then Jesus cried, Lazarus, come forth. Then somebody said, he's alive, he's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. You've cried to the Lord, I need you now, but he has not appeared. Well, don't be discouraged, 'cause he's still the same. He'll soon be here, he'll roll back the storm, and then call out your name when his heart is late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long. His way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when his 4 days late, he's still on time? Oh, my God is great when his 4 days late, he's still on
Ropuii ni pathian ropuii top mai ni ikha sui